What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash that subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. Today we're doing another video on my old 2004. It's not that old actually, but it's got 214,000 miles on it. So we're doing another video on it, so stay tuned. We'll explain everything. I think the thumbnail and maybe the description of the video was to give it away, so let's hop into it. No. But look. What do you gotta say?
It's a Saab.
It's working.
It's a slop.
What happened? Only works when you use it? Or only doesn't work when you use it? Yeah. Sometimes I wonder if he's the one that's the aggressor or if other people are always just cutting him off. I'm not sure. But based on the description of this video, we've been having some issues with the horn. I mean, I've experienced it myself, don't get me wrong, but it seems like my parents always have the issue of not having a horn. So, basically, what I've done some research on is that these steering wheel controls and the horn function through the SID. And of course, we went ahead when we installed everything here, we put the steering wheel control, see, which works sometimes. Sometimes it works, but it just worked, and that's working. So, stop it already. So anyways, the point of the matter is the steering wheel controls pretty much work 90% of the time, and either way, it doesn't matter. But the point of the matter is that all of that stuff functions through the SID, including the steering wheel control module, which is working on that clearly, right? So here we go. It's working again. So the point is that the power to the horn the power to the horn is working, but it's not working all the time. So apparently it's either a ground issue or potentially the contacts on the horn. I'm not sure. So if you guys have any suggestions here of what to do, drop a comment below, because I personally do not know why we're having this issue. Now, knowing that this car is on the road every day and everybody's driving it and driving in traffic, and we live in New York City area and people are, you know, not usually the best drivers, it's definitely important to have a working horn. So, never experienced this stuff before, but based off all of the research that I've done so far, I don't see an issue with the relay. I don't see an issue with the steering wheel control module. I don't see an issue with the SID. I don't see an issue with the ground. I don't see an issue with the wiring. I don't see an issue with the fuse. But the only thing that I see an issue with that could be potentially the issue is the contacts on the horn, which is working right now. Maybe it's because it's extra humid out and it's raining. I'm not too sure. You know how electronics function in the rain, different than when it's not rainy. I'm not sure, but it's working. But now, here, it works here, but when I will go up here, it's not working. Well, barely. So that's the conclusion that I'm coming up with here, is that it's the contacts on the steering wheel itself. So, like I said, drop a comment below if you guys can concur and agree with my theory on this. I'm not sure, but yeah. So stay tuned for more. If you guys watched the last video, we're doing a little giveaway from Super Clean. They want to give away some product to one of you guys. So if you haven't already, we'll probably call the winner on Monday, which will be tomorrow. This video will be going live on Sunday. I can give you the date here in 1 second. Hold on. Monday the 13th. We're gonna announce the winner Monday the 13th at 8 p.m. That's when we're gonna do this. So if you guys haven't already, this is the second chance I'm giving you guys to follow me at Carl Pancis. Message me Super Clean, and that will be your entry into the giveaway from Super Clean. And once you guys do that by 8 p.m. I'll make an announcement on my Instagram page of who the winner is, and then I will contact Super Clean and have them send the product right to you. I'll contact you directly to get that information. So stay tuned for all that, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick upload on the 04. We did a 1 year ownership review last week on this car. It's 1 year, almost 20,000 miles driven. Probably, you know, probably a good video to go watch if you guys want to check that out. I'll link it above, and stay tuned for more. We'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.